cloudy almost, and a little bit green. That's the northern lights. But it's hard to see here because there's light pollution.
I'm recording right now, so don't call me or my cousin my real name. And let me stay in front a little bit so nobody sees your guys' face.
So this is how the northern lights look. And they say that's our ancestors dancing in the sky.
But isn't that when spirits come out? What was that? Oh, we should do that ghost talking up.
No. Not tonight, so.
Too scared?
That's magic for baby that just came up.
What is this? What is this? Why?
That's so cool.
Oh, frick, I thought I seen something for a minute. That was just a shadow, though. I bet you I could...
Shut off your lights.
Why? Huh.
Blah 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 dee da dee da.
Yeah, I can't do it. I can't see it.
I'll show you the daddies. This is what daddy sees right here right now.
Oh, fish, that's actually nice.
Yeah.
Make sure not to call anybody by their real name. We'll just make up nicknames.
Call me John.
I see the Big Dipper though.
Oh yeah, the dipper.
What's that?
Well,
it's a Big Dipper, so it looks like a big
Dipper.
spoon in the sky.
Dipper.
So you got the 1, 2, 3
Dipper.
stars right there that look like an L, and then the handle 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know if you guys see it right now, but the dipper is happening.
The Dipper's dipping.
Oh, frick, almost just fell.
Why does dipper?
Nah,
It's wet out. Kinda.
it rained.
Condensation. No rain, just condensation.
Subs. Alright, guys, we're walking down the train tracks a little bit more. Oh, he's running. So,
I should steal it though for my road test.
coconut.
Did you say coconut?
I'm looking every side of me because you don't know if coyotes could be.
There'll be animals in the ditch. So
Yeah, some coyotes maybe.
the flashlights on the side, even this side.
Yeah, I know, because a lot of them are...
You don't know this guy.
Frick. Oh, is that blood? Alright, not blood.
And don't forget, everything around us is weapons too. We could use rocks as weapons, sticks as weapons.
Oh shoot, I accidentally showed your face for a minute.
Oh, walk like coyotes.
That would...
Stomp on your head.
Yo guys, we're back. Yeah, we're back. Anyways, bye. Where are we going?
You kind of see them, but because of the city here, it's hard to see them. That's why
We're gonna get attacked by something, I could tell. And I got my fist.
And I got my foot. Get someone here.
Yeah. I don't feel comfortable.
What? Yeah, that's okay.
Something's wet. Something wet is in my shoe.
should have worn your best.
Oh, it's more wet. Oh god, it's all wet. It's all wet.
Wet too.
Oh, hey, at least a free foot wash. Yeah, I can do this. Ouch. Oh my god, my feet are so freaking cold right now. Oh, I'm gonna get so many subscribers for the Northern Lights video. Yeah, I know.